Welcome to another Figma tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering guides. Guides can be helpful when you're creating, aligning, and placing layers and objects within your file. Guides are thin red lines which can be moved and repositioned to ensure that your elements are aligned as you intended. It's important to note that guides will not appear on exported images, they only appear inside of Figma. To begin using guides, we first need to make sure that rulers are enabled inside of your file. Enable rulers using the Shift-R shortcut on your keyboard. You can also search for rulers under the Figma menu in the top left. Figma has both canvas and frame level guides for positioning and aligning objects in your file. Canvas guides are always present within the document, regardless of which frame is selected. Frame guides are specific to one particular frame and are only shown when that specific frame is selected. With rulers enabled, let's create our first set of guides. To create a vertical guide, we'll click on the vertical ruler and drag towards the document. To create a horizontal guide, click and drag on the horizontal ruler. We can measure the distances between guides and objects on the canvas to ensure our layout is precise. In this example, the distance in pixels appears between the guide and the frame because our guide lives outside of the frame. If we create or move a guide inside of our frame, we can now see the distance between our shape and the guide. Guides make it easy to ensure that your measurements and distances are precise. It is also important to note that when a guide is inside of the document, layers or objects can snap to it. Guides can be toggled on or off again by tapping Shift-R on your keyboard, and they can be deleted from the document simply by dragging them off the document and back into the ruler. It is also possible to remove a guide by first clicking on the guide and pressing Delete on your keyboard. Let's review what we've learned today. Turn on rulers using Shift-R. This also toggles guides on or off. Click and drag from the ruler to create a guide parallel to it. Snap objects to guides to precisely align your elements of your design. Delete a guide by dragging it back to the ruler or selecting and using the Delete key.